Hey guys, it's finished. Look at my hair. Hi everyone, it's your new girl here in Dumaguete. It's your Miss K. Good morning. Back in Dumaguete, guys, and I'm sorry for my background. It's so kind of messy. My face swelling because of the traveling. I removed my extension lashes. I lost my voice. That's why when one of my subscribers does the comment like, "Hey Miss K, when are you gonna have your next video or vlog?" I was hesitant to make a video because I lost my voice because of too much dancing in the festival. Yay! Good morning, everyone. Is my face different though? I have no lashes. It's so kind of messy right now. When I left in this place, I was in a hurry. The bus may take so long to travel. I'm having my coffee and I just woke up. Time check, it's 7:30 in the morning in the Philippines. Remove my braid now. Festival is over. My laundry, we're going to send our laundry today. I also make a note for my things to do. Some cleaning, removing the stuff here in my bag. Come with me. Day in my life of Miss K. Okay, I'm halfway for my hair. Big black sky. Yeah, I know. I'm in a corner watching you kiss her. Oh. Yay, it's done. Let's keep it raw, guys. I'm gonna make a room tour. So this is my hair now. And I'll wash this later. And we're going shower too. And I'm gonna show you my room. This room, it's a fully furnished room. I'm even thinking to find another place wherein I could be able to move because this room doesn't have a window. Yeah, there is a window, but I cannot see light. I cannot see sun. To me, when I see light, when I see sunshine, I feel hope, motivated. Hopefully, I could find another place. This room costs 10,000 pesos per month. It's fully furnished, 1 month advance, 1 month deposit. I'll show you how much 10,000 cost in renting a room as a Filipina in the Dumaguete. It's just messy. This bed is a queen size bed. There's a charging port on the left side. After this, I'm gonna shower, head to the laundry. Oh, I even have a food here. This is what I eat last night. This place doesn't have fridge, but there's TV, there's aircon. I just don't use aircon all the time because it increases my electricity. And this apartment, the inclusion for 10,000 is Wi-Fi is free. The TV, which nothing in it, it's just YouTube and no Netflix. And the water here is also free, but I need to pay extra for the garbage because every Wednesday garbage is being collected outside my room. I need to be honest, I'm shy to show you how messy I am. Guys, that I am very busy. I make content. I have a messy place too, not just you, but also me. First one, the very relatable walis. The door, and you get inside. So those are my motorcycle helmets, my hand carry luggage. I still have eggs. My ingredients when I do cooking comes with this electric stove, rice cooker, heater, this exhaust fan. I the window, of course. There's a window right there. It's just no sun, as you can see. Here's a little cabinet. Uh, yeah, it's just some stuff and more stuff up there. It's a little working area with this chair. Let's go to the CR. So this is a CR looks like. Looks modern. There's a shower, but there's no heater. My hair essentials, body essentials, skin, and there's mirror. More stuff in here. And more stuff right here. exhaust fan right there. Is the room that cost 10,000 pesos in Dumaguete. And there is a huge TV though, 65 inches TV. But I don't really watch all the time because I'm always on the phone editing. Now I'm going to shower. You shower with me? Let's go. Maybe. Taran, this is our outfit. I'm going to drop my laundry. I don't feel like really putting some lashes on. What you see is what you got. So no lashes, no makeup at all. It's just me. Don't forget the sunscreen. Flexible, huh? And sunscreen for my face. Okay, that's a wrap. Let's go. Let's drop our laundry and let's have breakfast. Hi, let's grab our scooter. Safety first. Let's do this. Okay. Yay! Oh, that's Good morning, ate. I'm gonna weigh this. Hopefully, I am on. What's gani? Maximum 8 kilos. No.
7 ra.
Yes, so I can only pay 159 pesos.
Natay pagda. Oh, sige, sige. 150.
Yeah, 159. Pwede anong bayad na lang. When available to pick up? 5 p.m. Okay. Oh, thank you. I can only pay 159 pesos. Maximum 8 kilograms, di ba ate? So mine is 7 kilograms. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, now we're heading to a carinderia or a small eatery. And we'll just come back here today for 5 p.m. to pick up our laundry. So let's go. I'm hungry. Hi, good morning. I'm going to eat again. Thank you. It's my Filipino breakfast. Eggplant for 30 pesos. Egg for 15 pesos. Rice for 10 pesos. And a soft drink for 22 pesos. Yummy! I'm back to my place, guys. I will put some lashes on. I cannot just go without lashes. I just get used to it. I had a fun conversation. The one who serves food in the carinderia or small eatery is talking about being single, how to find a good man that you can trust, a man that is good for you, a man who is going to treat you better. That is our chismis for today. As a woman, you really need to find your income on your own. And it's a plus if the man is being a provider to you. Time check, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm going to find food. I'm feeling hungry. I'm gonna show you guys where I'm going. Guys, look who's I'm bumping to. Wow, there's Mike. Hello. Hi Mike. And we have a new friend today. His name is Trent, right? Yep. Marie. Yes. So we are here, guys, at M&M Restaurant, American Mexican restaurant. So if you guys are looking into that kind of menu and food, you can visit here in Talay, Dumaguete. Mike is the one who interviewed me at YouTube. So I'll make the camera close to him. Hi to the kitchen staff. Hello. See you soon on the next vlog. Bye, Mike. Bye. Cheers. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching my vlog all the time. Please don't forget to hit like and comment down below what kind of video you want to see next. It's your Miss K. Bye.